To be a safe driver, you need space all around your vehicle. When things go wrong, space gives you time to think and to take action. To have space available when something goes wrong, you need to manage your space. While this is true for all drivers, it is very important for larger vehicles. They take up more space and require more space for stopping and turning. Of all the space around your vehicle, it is the area that is ahead of your vehicle, the space you are driving into, that is most important. You need space ahead in case you must suddenly stop. According to accident reports, the vehicle that trucks and buses most often run into is the one in front of them. The most frequent cause is following too closely. Remember, if the vehicle ahead of you is smaller than yours, it can probably stop faster than you can. You may crash if you are following too closely. A good rule for how much space you should keep in front of you is at least 1 second for each 10 feet of vehicle length at speeds below 40 miles per hour. At greater speeds, you should add a second for safety. For example, if you're driving a 40-foot vehicle, you should have 4 seconds between you and the vehicle ahead. In a 60-foot rig, you will need 6 seconds. Over 40 miles per hour, you would need 5 seconds for a 40-foot vehicle and 7 seconds for a 60-foot vehicle. Heavy vehicles are often tailgated when they cannot keep up with the speed of traffic. This often happens when you're going uphill. If a heavy load is slowing you down, stay in the right lane if you can. Going uphill, you should not pass another slow vehicle until you can get around quickly and safely. In a larger vehicle, it is often difficult to see whether a vehicle is close behind you. You may be tailgated when you are traveling slowly. Drivers trapped behind slow vehicles often follow closely, or in bad weather. If you're being tailgated, do the following to reduce the chances of an accident. Avoid quick changes. Increase your following distance. Do not speed up. And avoid tricks. Space to the sides. Staying centered in the lane. Keep your vehicle centered in the lane to maintain safe clearance on either side. If your vehicle is wide, you have little room to spare. Strong winds can make it difficult to stay in your lane. The problem is usually worse for lighter vehicles. This problem can be especially bad coming out of tunnels. Do not drive alongside others if you can avoid it. Traveling next to others. There are two dangers in traveling alongside other vehicles. Another driver may change lanes suddenly and turn into you. You may be trapped when you need to change lanes. If you must travel near other vehicles, try to keep as much space as possible between you and them. Also, drop back or pull forward so you are sure the other driver can see you. Maintaining space between you and other vehicles is crucial in avoiding incidents and keeping our drivers safe. It is important to remain aware of your surroundings and diligent in protecting your vehicle, yourself, and the company.